Hi, welcome to the video. Because there were comments in the last video asking for the real version, here it is. I'll be making the actual version. In today's video, I'll be making watermelon tanghulu. For this recipe, you'll need to prepare 3 things. 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of water, and cubed watermelon. With the watermelons ready, skewer them each with disposable chopsticks. Once you're done with that, it's time to make the candy syrup. Add the sugar and water to a pot and make sure not to mix, as it will crystallize the sugar. Boil the mixture on medium heat and monitor the temperature until it reaches 150 degrees Celsius. Turn off heat and begin dipping watermelon in mixture. Do it fast so it does not cook. After dipping in syrup, dip it in an ice bath to harden the mixture. Repeat for all of them. Give it 10 to 15 minutes to completely set, and enjoy your crunchy and juicy bite.